This is Tim. Tim wants to be a blacksmith. Watch Tim Blacksmith.
I will get there. I will get there.
Ooh, that's a bit ambitious.
It'll go. It'll go. I have confidence. I have every confidence. It's getting a bit warm. Put that one down.
Yeah, fire will do that. Of course, I'm not hearing the sounds of the fan.
Don't want to blow the fire out.
I best stand back because this is going to turn into a tempestuous blaze at any minute.
I reckon you're right, you know, I can feel it. It's getting warm. It's not going out yet.
So, as per the current wisdom, start the wood, and then the wood will start the coke, and then the coke will start the fire. If we get a bit of air. I guess electrical aptitude is...
Bang on.
Hey!
What did I say? Shun the non-believers. I was right.
Fire! We've got fire! So, we're going to leave Tim now, and hopefully come back in a little while when the fire is going properly. Sometime later. So Tim, what happened?
If you come over here, I will show you. What happened was, my fire, being a roaring inferno, has actually burnt all the fuel and has therefore gone out.
Right.
Yeah.
So, are we going to start again then?
If I take these bits away.
Yeah, those bits that were nearly flash fried in the nuclear furnace that you got going in there. Yeah. Okay.
That
So
was pretty much a fusion reaction.
So shall we try this again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. It turns red. And you should get a counter that runs. Is the counter running?
Yep.
Alrighty then. Yeah, well. Right, let's give that a moment or two. Sometime later.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Where is that from, that?
SpongeBob.
Is it SpongeBob? 2 hours later. Okay, let's give it some proper beans.
try this at home.
Don't try this at home, children. Hot stove. There we are. Should go to the bits. Now, if we let that start off and actually get the wood burning, then we should be able to introduce caulking from the sides. But I suspect that that wood is not the driest in the world, but it's still going, so cut, and we'll come back to it. Right, recording? Okay, so we've now got a decent amount of flame coming up through. Just keep tapping that down so that you've got a solid bed of fuel to burn. All of this jet engine style flame. We can introduce the coke into that, like so. I generally tend to leave a little flame still going, because if you pile coke on it now, even dry stuff like this, you're just going to get tons of smoke. If your chimney's drawing well enough, that's not a problem. So stick on a couple of bits like that. Give that 5 minutes. That will be ready to start forging. Oh, and there's something. You see, people say that smoke don't burn. Smoke burns. You can actually see it. You give it air and then see how it's burning the volatiles. Give it some more air and off again. It's burning those volatiles. That's how you get flashovers and things. People don't think smoke can burn. Smoke still has a lot of volatiles, it can. All of that is essentially smoke that's popping and burning. And it's coming mostly from wood that's still left in there. But that is pretty much going now. So 5 minutes, get it all nice and yellow, you'll be good to go. Okay, so eventually Tim managed to get the fire lit, and I gave him an exercise to try and reproduce one of these. Now these are the little coat hanger J-hooks that I've made in the past. Just a little twist. Well, anyway, little J-hook, coat hook, tack hook, whatever you like. And I told him to make one and then make a load more all the same. And this is what he's managed to do. There's a few in here from Simon as well. I'm not going to point out which is which, but this is Simon's S-hook. This is an S-hook because Simon made the taper on the back of this a little too long, so we turned it into an S-hook. And I have to say, I think he did a first-class job. Okay, so now you may notice that some of these are missing some of those. That is something that I will do the next time that I'm in at the shop, or the next time that Tim is in the shop. I believe that if anybody is interested in buying these, Tim is more than happy for them to go on and be sold to help pay for the costs of the material and the fuel and everything else that he used actually making them. So, onwards and upwards. Till next time, enjoy.